Over the years, we've had problems with these doors coming off the tracks for the wardrobe. So there's a wheel down here, and you can kind of see it in the track there. That would sometimes come out, and then the door would just grind to a halt because it's skipped out of the track. Now, when I had a little look in yesterday, I noticed there's actually this blue clip. Now, if you look at the bottom, there's actually an interesting little plastic wedge at the bottom there. That's not actually in the track. So if you have the same kind of design, you pull that out like that, you can see that if you push down, that's going inside the track. Then if you click it in like this, that kind of locks it into that track. So now it won't as easily skip out. So that's a good little tip. Now at the top, let's move to the top. Now we're at the top, and there's this one is a plastic clip as well, and that one clips into the top track. Now that one shouldn't skip out. That's something to be aware of. That needs pushing up. I'll have to do it with one hand. And then that clicks into the track like that. Make sure both of those are in, and you shouldn't have any problems.